Most small business owners think they're too small to be a target, but while you're focused on growth, someone else is focused on your bank account. In fact, 43% of all cyber attacks target small businesses, and 60% of them go out of business within 6 months of a breach. Today, I'm showing you the 3 ways you're being hacked right now, and exactly how to stop it before it's too late. The first way is the one you probably think you're too smart for: 61 phishing. It's not just Nigerian princes anymore. It's an email that looks exactly like a Google Doc from your accountant or a shipping alert from UPS. One click by one tired employee, and your entire network is wide open. The fix: stop relying on common sense. You need to implement MFA, multi-factor authentication, across every single app. If it doesn't have a second code, it isn't secure. The second way hackers get in is through the door you left unlocked: unpatched software. Every time you hit Remind Me Later on a Windows or Chrome update, you're leaving a known vulnerability open for hackers to walk through. This is how 63 ransomware happens. The fix: turn on automatic updates for everything. If you're an SME owner, you don't have time to manage this manually. Let the software protect itself. Finally, the most common hack isn't a hack at all. It's a guess. Password 123, or your dog's name, isn't a security wall, it's a welcome mat. The fix: use a business-grade password manager. It's the cheapest cybersecurity for business investment you'll ever make. Cybersecurity doesn't have to be expensive, but it does have to be intentional. If you want my SME security checklist to audit your own business in under 10 minutes, check the link in the description. Don't wait until you're a statistic. Subscribe for a daily video to keep the hackers away. I'll see you tomorrow.